Evan Esau once said, "Easter is the only time of year when it's perfectly safe to put all your eggs in one basket." We might as well try it this Easter holidays. Hey there, Easter enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. With Easter just around the corner, it's time to start thinking about those delightful Easter baskets. But don't worry about breaking the bank. Today, I've got 10 budget-friendly Easter basket ideas that are sure to bring joy without emptying your wallet. Let's hop right into it. Remember, within this video, we have lined up an exciting song about budget-friendly Easter holiday bucket ideas. So, stick around long enough and you will get to enjoy it. First up, we have the DIY craft supplies basket. You can fill this basket with affordable crafting goodies like colored paper, markers, stickers, and DIY craft kits. It's perfect for sparking creativity in your little ones. Calling all bookworms. Our book lovers basket is filled with affordable reads suitable for every age and interest. It's a literary delight for Easter. Plus, consider adding a personalized bookmark or a cozy blanket for their reading nook. Green thumbs, rejoice. Our gardening basket is packed with flower or vegetable seeds, small gardening tools, gloves, and a guidebook. It's time to dig into some fun. Consider adding a gardening hat or a watering can to complete the set. Let their creativity shine with our artistic expression basket. Sketchpads, colored pencils, paints, everything they need to create a masterpiece. You can also include a set of paint brushes or a portable easel for budding artists. Get ready to bake up some smiles with our baking fun basket. Cookie cutters, baking mix, frosting tubes, and sprinkles. It's a sweet treat for Easter. Don't forget to include a cute apron or a baking cookbook for extra inspiration. For the little explorers, we have the Nature Explorer basket. Magnifying glasses, binoculars, a bug-catching kit. Let them discover the wonders of the great outdoors. You can also include a nature journal or a field guide to encourage their exploration. Learning has never been more fun with our educational fun basket. Puzzles, brain teasers, games. That's all about stimulating young minds. Consider adding educational flashcards or a STEM activity kit to keep the learning going. And last but not least, our healthy snack basket. Individual packs of nuts, dried fruit, granola bars to guilt-free Easter indulgence. You can also include a reusable water bottle or a fun fruit infuser to encourage healthy hydration. And there you have it, folks. 10 budget-friendly Easter basket ideas that are sure to make this holiday extra special. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Easter inspiration. Until next time, happy Easter. As our tradition, we created an exciting song about budget-friendly Easter basket ideas for your children. Listen in and let us know your thoughts. Enjoy.
In the springtime air, Easter's drawing near, but don't fret about the cost. No need for fear, we've got ideas that'll make you smile. Budget-friendly baskets that'll last a while. Budget-friendly Easter, full of delight, filled with joy and fun. From morning till night, crafts and games, treats galore. These baskets are what Easter's for. From DIY crafts to outdoor play, there's something special for every kid today. Books to read and seeds to sow. With these ideas the joy will grow and grow. Budget-friendly Easter, full of delight, filled with joy and fun. From morning till night, crafts and games, treats galore. These baskets are what Easter's for. No need to break the bank to make their Easter bright. With creativity and love, we'll make it just right. So grab your basket, let's get started. Creating memories, don't be outsmarted. It's not about the money, but love we share. With these budget-friendly ideas, we'll show we care. Budget-friendly Easter, full of delight, filled with joy and fun. From morning till night, crafts and games, treats galore. These baskets are what Easter's for. Budget-friendly Easter, full of delight, filled with joy and fun. From morning till night, crafts and games, treats galore. These baskets are what Easter's for. Healthy snacks to keep them strong, granola bars and fruits that can't go wrong. Nourishing their bodies, fueling their play. In our healthy snack basket, every day's a buffet.